What's up, Bittorrent token holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Bittorrent token latest update. What's going on in the Btt token? What's the latest price update? And you know what? We are also going to discuss the previous falls down. You know what? A lot of people also ask me this type of question, that when will the price of Btt rise up? So I will answer your question in this video. Just keep watch this video complete. And my friends, please click the subscribe button now and also like this video, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Btt is 0.00221 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Bittorrent token. And furthermore, you can see that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Bittorrent token is negative. Completely, my friends, the price of Btt is going down. Completely loss occur in the Bittorrent token, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of Bittorrent token. Oh my god, as you can see from the last 1 month, the price of Bittorrent token is going in the loss. That is the last 1 month price chart, negative 34.62%. The price falls down. Oh my god, that's really a big loss for all Btt token holders. But you know what, in this situation, in the low situation, I recommend for all of you that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Don't lose hope and hold. And my friends, if you want to buy more and more Btt tokens, so I think that's really a good idea for all of you to buy more and more, because now the currently price of Btt token is very low, my friends. So there is a possibility that the price will rise up and you will get profit from a Btt, my friends. So I recommend for all of you to buy more and more Bittorrent token, my friends. Anyways, what do you think? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Bittorrent token? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.